Imagine you cannot walk. Imagine everyone stares at you and whispers behind your back.
What would you do? Would you become her friend? Or would you simply walk away?
Today, we are going to watch a touching story about kindness, family, and a brave little girl named Sarah.
Class, please welcome our new student. Her name is Sarah.
Look at her legs. She can't walk.
That's so strange. Stay away from her. I feel sorry for her, but I don't want my classmates making fun of me.
Playing football looks really fun.
Wait, that looks like Sarah. What is she doing?
Hey, careful with the ball.
Watch out. Be careful.
Oh no.
Are you all right?
I'm really sorry. I was too careless.
Next time, try playing closer to the fence.
Wow. Did you all see that? Sarah was incredibly brave.
Thank you, Sarah. You saved me.
You're welcome.
Megan feels guilty because she ignored Sarah before. Now she wants to make things right.
Hi, Sarah. Can I sit beside you?
Hi. Really? You want to sit with me?
Why is she talking to the girl in the wheelchair?
I have no idea. I was honestly surprised to see you at school today. You have so much energy.
Oh, this morning? I only wanted to help Lily.
Who can answer this difficult science question for bonus points?
I can't understand any of this. This question is impossible.
Ma'am, may I try solving it?
Sarah is extremely intelligent. Science is her favorite subject.
Excellent work, Sarah. That is absolutely correct.
Hey, Sarah. Could you help me with my math homework?
Sure. It's actually very simple. Look carefully.
Wow, Sarah. You're incredible.
I just like challenging myself in everything.
Sarah, what do you usually do on weekends?
I often visit nursing homes to help elderly people. Would you like to come with me?
Really? Then let's go together this weekend, okay?
Saturday, Megan and Sarah visit a nursing home to help the elderly residents.
Here's the book, Sarah.
Finished. The bookshelf looks neat now. That's everything for today, Grandma.
You have such a lovely voice, young lady.
Thank you, ma'am. I enjoy reading stories. I'll come again soon and read more books for you, Grandma.
Sarah spreads happiness everywhere she goes.
But behind her cheerful smile, she hides a painful sadness. Sarah watches children running and laughing together.
Sarah, where is she? I think that's her.
I wish I could run as quickly as they do, even for 1 minute.
I want to play, jump, and run together with my friends.
Grandma and Grandpa, please wait a little. I'm almost done with my drawing.
Hello, everyone. Today we are visiting a nursing home, and we met a very brave young girl named Sarah. We would like to ask her a few questions. Hi, Sarah. I'm curious why, despite your physical condition, you still come here to help elderly people.
When I help others, I stop feeling disabled. I feel stronger inside.
Sarah, you are truly inspiring. What is your biggest dream?
My dream is to walk again, but the surgery for my legs costs a lot of money. My family doesn't have enough. I don't want my parents to worry or cry because of me.
I never knew her family was struggling so much.
Poor Sarah.
I just want to walk and run like other kids my age.
Excuse me, ma'am. Could we organize a special art exhibition to show Sarah's paintings and raise money for her treatment?
Wonderful idea, Megan. The school will support it.
On the first day of the exhibition, many parents and students came to see her artwork. Everyone admired Sarah's colourful paintings.
Welcome, everyone. Every picture you buy today will help change the future of a brave little girl.
I heard her story, and it deeply touched my heart. Megan, we already collected money for Sarah.
Teacher, let's go tell her the wonderful news.
Oh? Megan? Teacher? Everyone, what are you doing here? It's the weekend.
Sarah, the school prepared a special gift for the best young artist of the year.
Really? A gift for me?
Yes, Sarah. Please accept it.
What? Is this true? For me?
Yes, Sarah. This gift comes from everyone who believes in you.
Look, Sarah. Our school and the community raised money together for your surgery. Now you can finally have your operation.
Really? Really, Megan?
Yes, because you deserve it, my superhero.
Sarah, your friends and teachers are so proud of you. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much. Thank you, sweet children.
A few days later, the day of the surgery arrived.
I'm a little nervous, Megan.
Stay strong, Sarah. We'll all be waiting for you outside. You can do this.
Good luck, Sarah. You are the bravest girl we know. We believe in you, Sarah.
Hours later.
The surgery was successful. She is going to recover well.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Thank goodness.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much.
A few weeks later.
It's difficult, Megan. My legs feel so heavy.
You can do it. One more step, Sarah. Follow your dream.
Okay.
We all miss you at school, Sarah. Come back soon. Here is your homework notebook.
Thank you so much.
2 months later, the special day finally arrives. The entire school gathers outside.
Look, she's walking. Sarah can walk.
She's not only walking, she's running. I can walk. Megan, I can finally walk.
Congratulations, Sarah. Your dream finally came true.
Thank you. Thank you for never giving up on me. You gave me more than the ability to walk. You gave me a family.
Sometimes all someone needs is one true friend who cares.
You showed me what a truly beautiful heart looks like, Megan.
I used to sit in my wheelchair and watch everyone run.
Imagine you cannot walk. Imagine people staring and whispering about you.
Everyone around me had friends, but I thought nobody would ever choose me. Now I can feel the grass beneath my feet, all thanks to the strength and love you gave me.
Kindness is the greatest medicine. When we help other people, we also heal ourselves.
If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new story. See you there!